1951, huh?
Yeah.
Ford Pilot. Okay. Got it! I think I need a tetanus shot before I drive it. We're in a 1951 Ford Pilot.
It's a four-door sedan.
Rust bucket.
Down now.
I like it.
It's cool, eh?
Yeah.
Gangster. This vehicle came in, we did a normal 8 or 9 page comprehensive inspection. Then we met with the customer. The customer was in love with this car and he's got sentimental value to him, and he managed to find the car out in Western Queensland and source it. Done loads and loads of work to the car. We've had the body off, the chassis been sandblasted.
Oh.
Lots of things repaired on the chassis because people were thinking it was an ex-farm car, so it had dents in it.
The rust and everything.
Rust.
Spiders.
Yeah. Yeah.
All the good stuff.
Queensland, everything's sort of deteriorated, as you can see. The seats are sun damaged.
Nearly as old as you, mate. Like it is. It's just a rust bucket on the outside and on the inside. And then you pop the bonnet and it's like a little jewelry box. You've still got a traditional Flathead that's been completely reconditioned, completely rebuilt, sorry.
Yeah, that's right.
And it looks great in there.
Yeah, it's got a lot of aftermarket little goodies because you can't buy reproduction parts for these engines readily. So we've cut a few corners on this one to keep the cost down for the client. And now he's taking the car back with a view to replacing the glass and doing the bare minimum that he can to get the vehicle roadworthy so that he can attend vintage events.
It'd be nice if you get something to cover the steering wheel so that you don't get tetanus every time you turn.
But it's a beautiful classic banjo style.
It really, yeah, it is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like it is like a banjo. I can almost see Deliverance in the background. Patina, he's got to leave it.
Oh yeah.
He's got to leave it.
Yeah.
It looks spectacular the way it does.
I guess one of the other things we did was had to replace the fuel tank with a new aluminium tank. Of course, you can't buy a new fuel tank from one of these down at the local.
What? There's not one of these lying around somewhere?
No, you think the Ford dealers down the road would have it.
Yeah.
It's all new fuel lines, brake lines, and everything underneath sort of had to be redone just because of age and rust.
So the drivetrain is good to go. He's just got the cosmetic kind of fun bits left to do now. Well guys, if you need any parts for your car or any work done, give us a call, check out the website. We'll see you next time.
Thanks, Chris. Good on you.